Good day to all of us. Let's visit together the famous Anawangin Cove and the Capones Island in Pundaquit, Zambales, Philippines.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
It is recommended to book a boat or bangka when planning for an island hopping, since a lot of tourists flock the area, especially during holiday seasons, and boats may not be readily available. Before heading to the Anawangin Cove, make sure to pack a lot of food and water, in addition to your swimming equipment, camping materials, and fully loaded mobile phones and cameras. As an additional tip, bring a hammock with you and thank me later. During the ride, expect a bumpy travel as we are at the edge of the South China Sea, and it is not advisable to visit when there is a storm. The White Sand Beach is a nature's divine response through the accumulation of volcanic ashes and pumice after one of the most violent eruptions of the Mayon volcano that happened in 1991, killing more than 350 people. On the other side of the White Sand Beach is the camping area with a lot of tall pine trees reaching around 30 feet. There are wooden bridges also connecting the land areas, but we can walk through the water during low tide. Tourists bring their own floating boats for this water area since the local tourism doesn't have one and it is not yet fully commercialized. As an additional tip, there are a lot of people who are camping in this area, so make sure to visit earlier to find the best spot to camp. Now we are headed to another island called Capones, where the beach area is wider as compared to Anawangin Cove. Depending on your itinerary, you can actually have as many islands to visit as you want.